it, and I got him. Oh, whatever. At least I got the titles. And nobody's gonna take them. I'm gonna put it right here so nobody can get them. No. Okay, so this is mainly. Well, actually, over there is where it mainly started. I mean, just look at my 2 titles sitting right there. I mean, I got him, and he's not getting them back either. Oh yeah. So let's look at him again. What? They're gone. They're gone. He took them. He took them. You know what? I'm going this way. I am going. Yes, it is thundering and it is raining. Ah, it's coming down too. Where'd he go? Oh. I found him! Okay. Where'd he go? Where'd he go? Okay, I'll do another video when I find him. Part 4. Oh, yeah.